and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Prime Minister Modi to reach Meghalaya on the 24th of February. Rahul Gandhi addresses election rally in Shillong supporting Congress leaders. NPP is confident to form a single majority government, says Conrad Sangma. And Mirrorborn implores for the public support. And now the news in detail. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, will set foot once again in Meghalaya on the 24th of February for the MLA elections 2023. While speaking with the media persons in the working office of Bharatiya Janata Party, the President of BJP, Ernest Maury, informed the public that the Prime Minister will arrive in the state on the 24th of February with the purpose to enlighten the public on the 2023 MLA elections in Meghalaya.
Mentang-menang ikut ini ke press conference, hadir mengira Shillong yang meeting, ban penkre ia kejingwan cunggu Prime Minister. Kini ketika sin ke Beningkong, yang ini pok Meghalaya, Prime Minister uwan banle yang roadshow. Kini ke roadshow kan sedang hakapor katway bajetik, kan sedang nang tay na pok na jalu para point, ter haduk mana poi po State Central Library. The poi po State Central Library, u Prime Minister unlet ban bu sentiu ya umot u klakawat kari jongi u tirot sing siem. Bat nang tupat dalak dep ban bu sentiu un sami na po State Central Library un sayaj sya polis bajar. Ha polis bajar kandon kecing penkre ha ka ba un address ya ke meeting bat adir nang tapat un selek haino sya po sya opar Shillong. Unwan na po na opar Shillong daka helikopter. Kapoin ka ba arpat hang ni kanong ngilabo ya kapor khatway hadu si beje. Krang bakan nom kta ya kalek kawan chongki balik trace po ki office fair bat ki balik ki hospital khamtam mi ki khna school namar ba ka school kan sang si po beje hadu si beje stem kamot ngikwa ba kane ka rally kabawan mo Prime Minister na kabanta ban yalap ya kani election kaban salong kakar punyutrik kanom pentut yanu na takadaw ngilabu ikapor khatway hadu si beje stem unbi no nanin po no ba Shillong un selempat syatura kandon ka public rally po tura bat kabalai ngi terpat ye kipai ba kibadon hapo sor Shillong bat kibanajan ru bakin yawan ban yashim benta man snap ya kajikren tumu Prime Minister kumba kitip u Prime Minister Narendra Modi udai Prime Minister uba pau ba bat udai ru u President jong ka G20 na try kan deka kabuksiar kipai ba tar kiwan man snap ya kan ka roadshow bat kumju ru kajikren kuju kendiat kensoi hapdem ju kipai ba.
On the 22nd of February, the head leader of the All India Congress Committee Party, Rahul Gandhi, had reached Shillong to meet the Congress leaders and to rally in support for them and the Congress party as a whole. The gathering was held in Malki ground with the presence of party leaders Vincent H. Pala and candidates of the Congress party contesting in the elections. Addressing the gathering, Rahul Gandhi explained the reason for his presence in Shillong. He came to Shillong to warn the people of the tactful acts of the BJP to corrupt the state in various ways. He added that he is present in the gathering because he has a sense of responsibility towards Meghalaya and the attire he has on shows that he respects and values the culture of the people. He urged the people to support the Congress leaders in the state so that they will continue to serve the people and form a clean governance.
To come to this beautiful state. As you know, we recently did the Bharat Jodo Yatra. We walked from Kanyakumari in the deep south of India to Srinagar in the extreme north. A journey of almost 4,000 kilometers. Took us slightly more than 4 months. And the reason we were forced to do this was because the BJP and the RSS who are running the government in India today have captured every single institution of the Indian state, are being attacked by the ideology of the RSS and the BJP. And basically, they refuse to accept that India has multiple ideas.
As the date for polling approaches on the 22nd of February, the NPP chief Conrad K. Sangma focused on two constituencies in North Garo Hills, that is Rezubel Para and Mendipathar. He campaigned for Timothy D. Shira in Rezubel Para and Marthan Sangma in Mendipathar. At Daram Playground under Rezubel Para constituency, he acknowledged the efforts of new leaders who have lent their supports to NPP from other political parties and is confident to form a single majority government in 2023. He also informed that the Government of India had plans to introduce different laws that would have affected the rights of the tribal people in the Sheru tribe areas, but NPP initiated dialogue to stop such laws from being implemented in the state. Reiterating that NPP will form the government, he said that in 2023, the NPP is confident of forming a single majority government, and hence he urged the people to continue supporting NPP for their own welfare.
Meghalaya state patanggaman belsi bunga gemek ko MDS Sorkar ini sason kaanio jekon NPP party si delaha wa mangni sason kaanio Amit Shah jeko agana wan kaketan unga aro Meghalaya state chenga uni MDA Sorkar ini kanio yang corruption wat sanggapa unga ini Cengah Kongres Parti beneka. Aru cengah Kongres Parti ba MDA Sokari ko corrupted Sokari nen agana kusungin. Iyarang iman technically wig ba manderang baksa golpo kana nangin. Maiko daki jurani traffic congestion ko. Daugra traffic jam ngani rangko mai cholko daki komiat nagada mangin. Iyarang ko technically wig ba manderang baksa golpoi kamrang ko nagda nanggin mana angan daun digedak naman gen ani agan gen cimo umang ba angan technically mande umjani umen ko details ko de nige ungna nanggin nige kana nanggin ni angan agan manja diba anga emelok naman odi wi pa masig ba manderang baksa department ni manderang baksa dentang dol ni manderang baksa kumong reme dalung ing pa obos sarang ni gemen sanchirim nagda nanggin uni jamano anchungo ing pa traffic jam rang ko mai cholko rakke komiat naman gen ko de sorkari ni geda nigre ke kamrango ka naman gen ani sananga pura sakna kusiuma.
Mirabon's aim, a UDP candidate who will contest in the upcoming elections on the 22nd of February at his residence, implored for the support of the people from the constituency to vote for him to victory in this term as well so that he will once again be the representative of the people. From the part of the UDP candidate, Mirabon's aim expressed his gratitude to the people supporting him and making him fit to be their leader in the past 5 years of his term, and he extended his gratitude to people who have been working with him for this many years that have passed.
Government kuch nga rkaha aru balsi bunga chalaiha aru ya balsi bunga ni gisepo dengtang neknikani rangko cha grongoba dengtang problem rang oba ya NPP party ya sorkari ko balsi bongana je development rangkon Meghalaya state ni mandirang jahatsem iya nakpa development rangko aru dengtangani ko ya riyangpa balsi bongani gisepo ya NPP government kamrang ko ka ya development ko rapayok naha. Talo biya NPP party ni aro government ni kam kaani ko biya atang mukron tang sibiyan kaha. Biya yang pa government rang baksaba biya kam ka na chol ko mat naha. Badia government ni somayo sawa nambatte kam kaa. ya plak ko biya personally biya inamat aha. Aru ya plak development ni kamrang ko ke makang chiang ni mandirang na, makang chiang ni area na, aru Garo Hills aru Meghalaya state na, atsing nam gappa development ko banas ko de, atsing de NPP party baksa kubong na nanggen, ane biya bini mandirang baksa bini leaderang baksa, meetinge, bisong dalo NPP party yo join ka dalo na ismang ni MLA. NPP ni candidate sakatinga.
Amongst the 5 candidates from South Tura, Benzil CH Marak, a Congress candidate on the 21st of February, expressed his concerns in South Tura, criticizing the scamful NPP-led MDA government. He exclaimed that people have knowledge on the corrupted government engrossed in various scams like the rice scam, the smart meter scam, or many others unknown to the public eye. He further emphasized that he agrees with what Amit Shah pointed that Meghalaya is the most corrupted state because the government is actually looting the state. He further stated that the Congress party is the strongest opposition party to fight against BJP, which is the core reason why he joined the Congress party. Furthermore, he promised the people to construct better roads and water supply in the state. In South Tura, there are 5 candidates and Mr. Benzil CH Marak contesting in South Tura from Congress party.
Kuble yepi baro nakaliang jonga ba meral bonsim u kertong naka seng UDP naka kendai nongpo legislative assembly constituency ngasngo ban appeal ban kerpat daga bas ngaurit yaki patba nong song snong jongka nongpo konsihi baro kawai yakaba pinsobha ban ai yakajing kershan gajongpi yanga hakaneka election ka bamenta ka ba kum ki patba nong song snong jong jala baro kawai ngin mi patba aka ar panyo terik jong February jong ne snem arajar pulai aka ba pin snobha ban shon ya shap lane ban knyot yau tu kudam aka symbol jong ka bom aka parti UDP ban penjob yang asa sisien hakaneka kenti kum u MLA ubopi kipat ba nong chong snong pilajet yang haus nem arjar kat pra ngapan pau ke jing sngongo ka ba krau ngamdani ban siu peliang epi ditang ke jing sngongo ya ka ba pila pelong yang ngakam ni mangalong but ngasngo ban ai khuble kerpang ru ya ki wedi ki padlok ki bang chamla kersan yang haus nem arjar kat pra ru dengan sngo ban appeal japiru ba ngini tri rangkat-rangkat hakane ke kenti naga banta ban ailat biang yang asa sisin kum u MLA la new no mikmat jongpi ban mikmat na kaneka constituency ban mikmat saging dorbar thawan ban kit ban ba ya ki mat ki babun ki bangi don kam kum ganong po constituency ka temri boy bat ke jelah baro ka we ngala persang ban sakri haki sansnem ki balalej kidon ki kam ki bangala ban pun urlong kidon ki kam ki badangsa dengan sngo ban appeal chapi ki nong song chnong bapin ailat biang yanga banganio ban beteng ya kene ka kam kum nong makmat jongpi haga bede bat kapule kaputi haga bede bat ka umbam umdi ka bede bat ki lenti ki sengkin ka bede bat ka kot ka khya mat ka bede bat ki nongrep khamtam gamat ka bede bat kayo kam yo jam jongki khun samla ki bi ki jongi kum u kertong naga seng UDP ngadon gatong ba ladangi dang yo ban beteng ban sakri kum u nong mikmat u MLA jong pi sa chisin ingi scam banginang la ban sakri khamba kum bangila persang ban sakri ag sans nem ki blale.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.